This is an overview of the Western Europe tic-tac-toe assignment. Since there were not any quizzes for this, this is a way to help reinforce some learning and allow you to use some of your creativity as well. So for this assignment, you are going to choose one of the Western European countries to explore that are on this list. We have Ireland, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Belgium, France, Germany, Austria rather, or Switzerland. Then you're going to choose 3 activities from the sheet in order, either going across, down, or diagonally to research and learn about the country that you chose. And by research, you can use your textbook. That's probably the easiest, or you can use the internet, however you want to look up the information. You can do this as a drawing by hand, so you can write it on paper, or you can do it in PowerPoint. You can probably also do it in Word, whatever app you choose, or by hand. Any of the writing that you do must be your own words. So in other words, I don't want you to copy things off the internet and paste it in, because that is considered plagiarism unless you are directly quoting it. So use your own words when you are writing. Make sure your information is detailed, like when it asks you to describe, give a good description. Also add an image for each choice. So for the 3 parts of the tic-tac-toe that you'll be doing, that's 15 points total for that country. And then just make sure that it's neat, detailed, it's informational, colorful, you've put some effort into it. That's 5 points. So let's say, for example, I am interested in Ireland. And so that's going to be my country of choice. So I'm going to choose either 3 going across, any of these 3 going across, or I can choose 3 that go down, or I can go diagonal and choose items that are diagonal. So I think I'm going to do diagonally. So if I did diagonal, I might do travel, tourist attractions, the flag, education. So here's a little bit about each one. Geography, you're going to look up the country's major landforms, like do they have mountains? Is there rivers? Whatever their major landforms are. What the climate is like, and any natural resources they produce. For history, you're going to describe or illustrate with a timeline would be a good way to do this. 5 major events that have happened in the country. Travel and tourist attractions, if you were to take a vacation, name and describe a place to visit. For literature, music, and arts, you can choose a category to learn about from either past or present. Like, for example, is there a band from that country that's popular now or used to be? Are there artists? Are there famous authors or poets? For the flag, look up the country's flag and put a picture of it or draw a picture of it and explain the significance of the colors and the design, the symbols that are used on that flag. Traditions, you'll explain 1 or 2 traditions that originated in that country. For education, describe what the school is like in the country. What is a typical school day? And do students usually go to college? So you might make some comparisons between education in that country and education in America. Challenges. What are some of the main challenges this country has faced in the past or present? Look at, current events, what's happening in that country. And then daily life, what are 2 aspects of daily life in this country? It can be related to transportation, like how they get around. It could be related to sports. Do they have big sports teams? It could be related to the kind of food they have. It can be, related to family life, whatever daily life might look like in that country. So I hope this explanation explains what to do. Again, you're going to choose a country, and then you're going to choose 3 different activities, going either across, down, or diagonally.